What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's new video on how to buy Cosmos on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will go to coinbase.com and log into your account. After you have done that, you will arrive at the homepage of Coinbase and we will simply go to buy and sell. Click on that. After that, the section will be opened and now we have to select the asset we would like to buy. So for now, it will be Atom Cosmos, as you can see, and we will select that one. Now you can fill in the amount of Cosmos you would like to buy, and after that you can also select the purchase frequency. So if you would like to buy it on a daily basis, weekly basis, twice a month, or maybe every month one time, then you can select this option. So for now I will leave it on a one-time purchase. So we will select also the wallet which we would like to use to buy our asset. For me it's the Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe, so I will leave it on this. But if you live in another country or another region, then you can select your wallet you would like to use. After that we will go back to this section and now we can click on preview buy. After you have clicked on that, it will show some information about your purchase you are going to make. Now you can see the price. As it's shown, it's €7.30 each token. The purchase price amount is €5. The Coinbase fee I'm paying is 99 cents. And the total amount I'm paying is €6. So what you can do with this coin, you can also stake it. So you can stake it for 25 days. You can select that and you will receive a 13% AP. So you can make a little bit extra money while you stake it. You can also select to invest on a weekly basis, but we will leave it on no for now. After you have checked all the information, you can simply click on buy now and you will buying this asset. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.